Hi and welcome back to Eggy Fits. In this video I'm just going to show you how I glue down tiles that I've already dry cut. So dry cut means basically I've already cut these net but I haven't put any glue underneath them yet. So I've cut this whole hallway and now I'm going to take them back up and I'm going to glue them all back.
I want to know how to take them up. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I take them up. Right, so that's going to be against the wall. This is going to be the last cut. The last cut. I'm going to come out. Right, I'm going to place it there. This one. See, I can reach those by tipping over. So
What I mean by that is I'm going to stack some tiles this end of the hallway, just 2 or 3 rows, enough so I can just lean over the glue and pick them up and then put them in, so I don't have a massive big stack of them from where I start to put them in.
take that one out now. That one. This one. And then that one. Okay, that's done on that side. Now the next one, this one, and that doorway. Okay, I don't need the full ones, I can just put them to one side.
So here I'm going to just pick up all the full tiles, the ones that haven't been cut, and I'll just create a stack of those.
They're the set size, aren't they?
Yeah, they don't matter, do they?
So now I'm going to take up the cuts all the way down this wall and stack them that side in the doorway.
That one. And there. This one. There. That one. That one. That one.
So the same for this side as well. So I'm going to take the cuts up, starting from the end that I've already started taking up, work my way towards the door. So then the piece at the door will be the first piece that goes in.
This one. That side. That side. There. This one. This one. That piece of lace. And there. And then hopefully one of these long pieces. Go inside. These bits.
So now I'm picking up the lace in and I'm going to put them in long pieces and short piece piles.
If you give it another sweep, I'm going to glue that one up. So there's a pencil mark up here.
Yeah.
I need to glue to.
So she's all glued out. Time for me to run around the back of the house to get to the other side of this and start from the other end. So here I'll put this cut up against the skirting because it's solid. The other side is an open doorway. You don't know where you're starting with the tile. So it's easier to put it up against a solid piece of skirting and start that side, always. As you can see, I do rub the back of the tiles. That's to make sure there's no foreign bodies, as in like no bits of crud that's going to get stuck underneath the tiles. It's just a good practice. Obviously, if you're dry laying as well, if it was coming out of a box clean and you haven't dry laid it, then you don't really need to rub the back because there's not going to be any foreign bodies there. But because it's been put down and taken up and stuff, it could have picked up some grit or anything. So it's a good practice to rub the back, make sure it's all clean. The easiest way to cut these lacings is with a straight blade. You can go straight down through and cut them. So when they overlap, you just cut through them. So, as you can see, that's how you dry lay. Pull it back up, glue it, and go straight back down. Now, I'm going to do the rest. With this side, I've opted to do the difficult cuts this side of the room and leave the nice easy ones to the left after it's been glued.
Take this one out. Now this one I put in. So here's the stack. All cuts ready to go in here. Yeah, I'll close that. Cool series.
Yeah, the first one down to get rid of the silicone radiation because it's stopping it going top and going.
I know. Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much. Yeah, we'll take a picture. Let's go.
So now they're all laid, all those cuts are laid, I'm gonna have to do all the other cuts on the other side, but they're the easy ones. If you want to see how I do those, have a look at my other videos. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe anyway to take a mick out of me in future videos. Okay? Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.
I do that. Lovely. So all sorted. Nice. Got your feet.